Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classic Cars and Bikes. How many Jag lovers we got out there? Coming up this month we've got an X-JS Coupe. Now I remember when these things were first released in 1977, I thought, wow, what a brilliant looking car. There was a Brisbane Motor Show, they had a dark royal blue one on display there, and it was just an amazing car. They sold pretty well in Australia, but it wasn't, I think, until 1985 when Tom Walkinshaw brought out the 3-car Jaguar team to Bathurst and just conquered. They just cleaned up. And it really put these things on the map. Over the last few years, they've come up in popularity and they're becoming more and more collectible because there's less and less available on the roads. A lot of them being crashed or pulled apart, or they've had the engines blown up and just parked up somewhere. This one we've got coming up is an Australian delivered version. It's got good documentation with it and has been fitted with a TWR, Tom Walkinshaw, body kit, which they did bring out a limited edition number of these cars in the UK with a full body kit. I think they had a Momo type road wheel on them, the UK version. It's finished in factory red. It is a good car. It's just had the brakes and a few other bits and pieces done on it. And as I said, they're getting rarer and rarer, and especially finding one in this colour with that body kit, it's certainly different and it looks the part. They're a classic car. They're getting on in age now, so you can get club rego on them. But to find one that's not rusted out and not falling apart is pretty rare, unless they've had millions of dollars spent on them. So this is a great example. We have got on display at our Pink & Bar facility, but if you'd like some more information, by all means give us a call on 1300 Classic or shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au. So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.